Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can create your trainer account on the Aptitude. So when you will log in to the application, you will see on the bottom there will be a profile page. On this profile page you will have a become a trainer option. So from here you can choose yes. Now you have to fill your prices, you have to select your skills and your language and upload the certificate. So for starting, I will keep it 99 because the lowest number for the 30-minute is 99 and for 60-minute it is 149. So for me it is 99 and 149. I will choose my skills. I will choose the language as in English and Hindi. Now I will submit the certificate here because the certificate are necessary to be a trainer. So as you can see, I have added a certificate. You can add any number of certificate 2, 3, 4. Now we will proceed. Here I will fill my bank details. So as you can see, I have filled all of my account details. Now I will proceed with the button submit. I will confirm the details and my account is created. So from here you can edit your prices by clicking on the edit button, and again clicking on the edit button you can change the prices like I have changed and update them. So these will be automatically updated as you can see. If you want to change anything in your trainer account, you can simply go to your profile page. You can edit this option. I have already edited it, and you can edit your fitness trainer settings here as well, and you can edit your bank detail again. So if you want to train your clients, you can simply turn on your status to online. Once you will turn on your status, you cannot edit any of your details. If you want to edit the detail, you have to turn your status off and then you can edit your details. If you want to turn off your chat so that the random people do not chat or do not text you, you can simply turn off your chat button and turn it on if you are open to chat with anyone. So I hope this video will help you. And in the last, I would like to tell you that if you want to switch back your account as a user, from this top button, you can simply switch your account as a user. Once you will be user, your trainer profile will be offline. You can turn it back online when you again switch back your account as a trainer.